This is a reconstruction of a Petrus solve, which I got recently as part of a just for fun session. Now, the first thing I'm looking for on this scramble is the best 2x2x2 block. And I see that I have this pair here, which I can use to set up the orange, green, white block. So I look for the cross edge and the e-slice edge that would correspond with it. And I see both are actually right here. And if I do a D move, it'll line this up with its center. So I do that, then I move this block down to align it so that when I solve this, I can D2 it into position. Now I just have to insert this edge, which solving this cross edge puts into position to do. So I use an F move insert to position it. Then I do a D2, and I'm looking ahead to this cross edge, which I can use to extend this block with the blue, orange, white pair. So I immediately put that in. Then I see this corner and this edge, which I pair up like that. Then I do a B move insert rather than rotate, because every solve should be rotationless. There are no excuses. C-floppers, get over it. So I immediately see this block and this solved edge right here. So I do a U and then an F2, and then I pair them up like that, like you would in a ZZ or Ru solve. And I do F2 again, and I look for EO, and I see these two are misoriented. So there are two ways you can do this. One is good but not great. That would be if you just see them right here and then do the standard solution, which is F prime U F. That gives you this last slot case, which isn't good, but is, I don't know, it's not bad ergonomically, like that, which leads you into this U ocll, which gives you a JA perm. Now, what I do here is that I notice that if I do that, it'll give me a bad case. So I decide to do a U2 and then do a U prime insert rather than a U1, and it gives me this last slot case, which is pretty easy. And then I have an anti-soon as my ocll. And if you know 2GLLs, if you see these blocks, you know that this is actually the ZBLL case that the normal ocll alg solves. So I do ocll, and that skips PLL. So overall that was 41 moves.